Welcome to Foundations TV, everybody. We are here on location at Bollywood Grill in North Andover. This fun group here is actually being hosted by the owner of Bollywood Grill, who is Parveen Gill. And they are here for a fun and lively concert tomorrow, which is called The Sensational Heartthrobs. And we're really looking forward to you guys singing on stage tomorrow. And this is kind of late, but we're going to set you on fire right now. How's that?
Excited. Yep.
Okay, so we're going to do a rapid fire round just to see how ready you are for the Boston audiences. Okay? All right, we do have just a quick intro. We have Palash here, and we have Palak, and we have Javed Ali, and we've heard your videos. We're super excited. You're awesome singers. So let's get started with you, Palak. From your own songs, which is your favorite song?
प्रेम रतन धन पायो
पार्टी तो बनती है
कहने को जश्न बहारा है.
What do you think is the most popular song of yours, Javed?
Mine is of course कौन फाया कौन.
I think चाहूँ मैं आना.
पार्टी तो बनती है.
Perfect. How many songs have you sung?
I have composed 7 songs till now in Bollywood. Yeah, I've sung. I'm a music composer, so I prefer music, giving music more.
Released 99th, recorded 203.
I don't know. I have not counted actually. I think almost like 1,000 songs.
Wow, that's awesome. Who are you inspired by?
Rahman ji.
As a singer, Lata ji. As a person, Mother Teresa.
I think I'm a huge fan of Rafi Sahab, Lata ji, Kishore Da, and of course Asha ji.
Awesome. What's your biggest success?
Winning hearts of my fans and obviously saving lives.
Saving lives and youngest music composer.
Saving lives, of course.
Tell me about that, saving lives.
Actually, Palash and me, we both are doing concerts from last 16 years for heart patients. Even now, we are here for the same cause. So we have donated around 4.26 crores for the operations of 903 poor kids. So that's the mission, yeah.
That is very touching. What's your biggest regret?
I'm not. I don't know. I have to think about that actually.
Come on, quick.
What should I say actually? What's my biggest regret? Because I'm coming after 4 years. I've been trying since 4 years. So this is my. I think this is my regret actually.
You want to come sooner than that, right?
Yeah.
I haven't had any regret. I don't want to have any regret in future as well.
Same here actually. Nothing till now.
What do you aim for in life?
I'm directing a film, so I'm too focused right now. And this will be the India's first film to be shot on an iPhone. So it's called Brojan and it's coming in March. So I'm focused now.
I want to continue the work I'm doing for those kids and I want to sing all my life.
Actually, I want to become a complete singer, versatile singer, and I want to just go ahead and just like that.
So is this your first concert? Nod of a head. Is this your first concert in the US?
No, this is not the first concert in US. This is probably the 5th concert in US.
But
The first concert in Boston, yeah.
So which is your favorite city to perform in?
New York.
In US? Yeah. Boston.
I think Houston.
And tell us why.
Because of Times Square and people, of course. Yeah.
Because I'm here.
Honest.
Because there are lots of Indians, Pakistani all over the world. Because we are expecting a huge crowd in Houston, so that's why I'm looking forward to perform in Houston.
What are your hopes from Boston?
I'm expecting a tremendous response from the audience, and we are really looking forward to a great response, and I'm very excited. I hope people are also excited.
So far, all the concerts have been amazing, and the kind of love you've got, we are really thrilled, and we hope that Boston people also give us so much love, blessings, and support.
Lots of love from my female fans. So yeah.
I like that. So what's the message you would like to leave with the Boston audience as you get done with this section of your tour?
keep supporting us, keep loving us, and always dream big.
Thank you so much for all the love you've given to me and my songs and the concerts as well. And as Palash said, keep supporting us, keep loving us because your love matters the most.
I think all of this said, Palash and Palak, I'm expecting a huge crowd and I'm expecting a great response of tomorrow's concert and I'm looking forward to that.
Okay, one last question. How has it been working with the organizer, Praveen Gill? The good and the bad, both.
So far, it's just good things because I love the food, first of all. And he keeps on distributing a lot of gifts personally. He's given me so many chocolates, so I have to say all the good stuff about him. No, but honestly speaking, people over here, and obviously Pravanji, they have so much love for us. They are so warm that we actually feel like as if we are at home. So we are so thankful to them for bringing us here. Obviously our national promoter Vijay Taneja ji and all the organizers and organizers of Boston, Rajveer Entertainment and Pawar Brothers. Thank you so much because it's our first US tour, so it's always special when you come for the first time. So all good stuff.
He's a great person, so yeah, thank you so much for bringing us here actually.
I think Pravinji is a great person and we had a nice food today. We had a very good mutton curry, chicken curry and of course kheer, of course, sweet and he's a very nice guy and of course yeah.
Chance to have
I had kheer. You want to try? You want to try?
We are veggies, so
We'll try. Three of try together, and of course, I'm extremely very happy because the kind of response which we are getting in these days, all of US tour, it's amazing, and of course, I think we will carry on. Okay.
The best part of Bollywood Grill, I mean the restaurant was that they have been playing all my songs. So I'm really having a great time here.
Thank you so much, guys. It was so fun talking to you. We wish you all the best for tomorrow and we hope to see you soon.
Thank you for such fun interview.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, you got to say something about Foundations TV. Come on.
Yeah, keep watching
Foundations TV.
the Foundations TV and lots of love to all the viewers.